Hi, I'm Marie. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a crescent roll sandwich. And these are the ingredients that you will need. I will be posting the recipe to the description box below when I'm done. You will need a couple of cans of crescent rolls, and it doesn't matter what brand you use. At least a couple of different kinds of lunch meat. I've got ham here and hard salami, but you can certainly use turkey or chicken if you want. I use banana peppers, red peppers, or jalapenos depending on how hot you want it. This is provolone cheese, but you can use mozzarella or Swiss, something that melts fairly easily. And then you'll need a little bit of spray for the pan. I really like making this sandwich because I usually have all these ingredients on hand, and just because you can use so many different combinations of ingredients that it's very easy to make for somebody that just, if somebody comes at the last minute and you're not prepared to make something. So this is super easy. And we'll set our oven to 375 degrees. So I've already got that warmed up. Let's get started. We're just going to spray the pan just very lightly. We will take out one of your crescent roll cans. Sometimes these come out super simple and sometimes it takes a little bit, but we should be able to get this. Okay, so you'll just want to spread it out on your pan. And just pinch it together so you don't have any holes in there. There we go. Okay, so now we can start adding the ingredients. And you'll just layer them however much you want. I like to put quite a bit in there, and make sure you get it out to the edges of the crescent rolls. Put a little bit of ham. And here again, you can use as much as you feel comfortable with, or as much as you like. Okay, and then we'll add the provolone cheese. Some banana peppers. I usually have red peppers in here too because I really like those, but I didn't have any today, but you could substitute some green chilies or something. That would be good, or olives if you want. And then I really like the jalapenos. My husband doesn't like them very well, so I'm only going to put the jalapenos on half of this sandwich. Now I'm just going to wash my hands real quick. And then we will put the other crescent roll on the top. This is a really good sandwich to have with soup. If you happen to have some wild rice soup or something and you want a sandwich to go with it, that's really a good match. There we go. All right, so then we just unroll this and place this on the top. And then just make sure you're pinching the edges together. This doesn't have to be exact. You're just trying to get as much as you can so all the cheese stays inside. And pinch all the holes in the top. Okay, once you feel like you've got most of that together, you can put it in the oven at 375. It takes about 20 minutes and then we'll be back. Okay, it looks like our crescent roll sandwich is done. Let's cut it and see how it turned out. This sandwich will serve probably about 6 people, so it's a good size sandwich. Okay. And you can always add more ingredients if you like it a little bit fuller. Let's just, there, that looks pretty good. Okay, well, if you have any other suggestions for recipes that you would like me to try, please leave a comment below. And if you try any of these recipes, please let me know how they turned out. I'd really be interested if they turned out well for you or not. And thank you for hanging out with me in my kitchen today.